Hi, I'm here at the Lakeshore Mall Railroad Club, and I'm here doing a test run on my Panama Limited. And so far it's doing good. I don't have my Proto 2000 IC units. I planned on getting 3 units for this train and adding 3 more cars. One of them is going to be a double sleeper, 11-bedroom double sleeper. It will be custom painted into the IC scheme. Other 2 cars will be Walther's 10.5 and 10.5 sleeper in IC, and the new 10.6 sleeper, which will be in IC. So those will be my new additions to my Panama Limited for next year. So right now I have a slow passenger train in front of me, and I will be running behind him, behind his Super Chief. So enjoy. Heavyweight baggage dormitory, 442 sleeper, and that's the lounge, diner.
Make sure you tuck your PNG.
They're my sleepers, my heavyweight sleepers.
This is a model railroad, not a slot track. Slow down.
There's my run-through sleeper, Great Northern from the Twin Cities in New Orleans. I had to get the 6.3 sleeper, the Pullman, and then my snack lounge car there, and there go my